Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Listerine Cool Mint PocketPaks. Full guide. Start by washing hands, open the pocket pack, slide one strip out, place on your tongue, and let it dissolve naturally. Avoid chewing. Wait 5 minutes before eating or drinking to maximize effect. Store unused packets in a cool, dry place away from heat and humidity to preserve potency and flavor. Begin with a confident, relaxed motion when handling the pack so you do not tear the film. Take one strip and place it centrally on your tongue, then close your mouth. Allow the strip to dissolve fully without chewing or swallowing quickly. This ensures the cool mint flavor and antiseptic actions spread evenly. If you feel any irritation, stop use, rinse with water, and consult a dentist for persistent discomfort or allergic reaction advice. If you're enjoying the guide so far, please subscribe and like the video to help support more practical tips like these. Your support really helps. Quick recommendation. I love sharing little extras, like a great read called The Simple Path to Wealth that changed how I think about money. Check the description for that link and any deals. Thanks again for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Keep a few extra pocket packs in your bag for quick breath refresh moments after meals or before meetings, but avoid overuse to prevent oral dryness. If you experience any burning or prolonged irritation, discontinue use immediately and rinse with water. Seek professional advice for persistent symptoms. Remember to read ingredient lists for potential allergens and always follow storage instructions to keep freshness and effectiveness for every strip you carry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.